Hey guys, here's a custom build 2001 Ford Crown Victoria from the movie Drive in 1/18 scale. This is made by Greenlight. That's the box for it. This is limited edition. This is number 832 out of 1002. What I've done, I've installed working lights and sirens to it. As you see, it features opening doors, hood and trunk. Let me turn the lights on. I've installed the red, white, and blue on the roof. You got the visor, red, blue light, and you have the strobing white headlights with a red, blue, and a grille, and the red, blue on the rear deck, and a flashing red tail lights. Car is very detailed. Like again, it's by Greenlight. Very nice. It's got the high-speed pursuit wheels, dog wheels, I believe they called. As the markings, those are actually painted on. They're not like water slide decals, so they're there for good. They will not peel off ever. Let me turn the siren on. This got a 4-tone siren. This one you press the first time, you get the 4th siren decycling. This one you press the second time, you get this sound. 3rd, 4th, the whale, and the 5th time you press the button, shuts off the siren. Again, these are limited edition cars. This is my first one I've done. It'll be packed nicely for in a box. The box is in a brand new condition as well. All right, please ask all questions before you bid, and I'll be up on eBay shortly. Very nice, very detailed car. Okay, thank you.